Yo, what's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that girl like Stockton. I don't even like that song that much, but anyway. Yo, it's Monday. It's a Monday afternoon or evening, 8:25, Monday, 20th April. So far, nothing much has happened. It's pretty bland day. I was kind of waiting for whatchamacallit, German to go back bullish for me on the higher time frame, because I would take price back above this level. So you see I have my alert set here on German. Yep, I'm back on German. I'm done with gold, bruh. Like, I'm done with gold because gold keeps stopping me out every time I trade it, bro. Every time. I don't know. It just doesn't want to cooperate with me. It just doesn't love me. And it's fine. I understand. Some markets are meant for others. Some, like US30 and nasdaq, I don't want those pairs. Any US-based pair, I don't want. I'm fine with the European markets because they move better for me, in my opinion. But anyway, yeah. So I have my alerts set here on German. It indicated above this lower high. So see price pushed up, and had heavy sellers kick in, and then it's like boop, we get bullish above this level. So didn't really do much. It did that like around 3 o'clock, just spiked, showing us okay, it does want to go back on the bullish run. So far not doing anything. UK also spiked at that time, 3 o'clock. Yeah, it did. I'm still in this one in drawdown though, but it didn't really indicate above anything, to be honest. So I'm not really like too fussy about this one. It's just been ranging the whole time, didn't really go anywhere. So good day to be out the market. BTC, I'm still holding this one. It is going back on that bull run now. I could have entered here again, to be honest. But it's cool though. It's always best to wait for that second time around, because see, indicated I could have, and you know what's funny? I thought to myself yesterday, it's indicating back bullish. I could actually enter off the indication. Yo, psych. Thank God I didn't, because look, my stop loss would have been here, would have been rock, bro. So it's always, so I'm like, nah, let me wait for it to come back the second time, then I'll take it. And look, ultimately did that. I could have set my alerts here to add more positions, but it's fine. That one is still moving. I'm not too fussy about this one. Almost got stopped out though, but it's cool though. Gonna let this one ride. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm done after this pair hits TP, wherever it hits TP. I'm gonna move back to the Europeans, bro. Europeans be moving nicely, bro, moving swiftly. I'm not gonna lie. Well, I could even enter here, but yeah, because BTC, for example, all the confluences were playing around or playing well, indicated above the level of sellers, came back above the level of sellers. I could have actually entered here, to be honest. Stop loss below here, and then continued to ride. Could have entered more here. So I'm just kind of going based off, like, I'm just watching it to see where I could add to my winners, if that makes sense. So in this instance, this would be like my first trade. Or if I had entered, no, this is an indication, so this is a correction, yeah. So I just have to wait. It did indicate, but I have to wait for the second time around. Once it pushes back up, then I'll take it. But so far, it's not doing that. BTC could have did the same thing. Above a level of sellers, could have bought. Above this lower high on the 1 hour, could have bought. That's two sections where I could have entered buys. UK100, I wouldn't say it. I could have done it here, because I entered here, then push down, and then now it's sort of above that level, but confirmation. Well, I could have entered here, yeah, but since it pushed back down, I can look to enter here. Wait, do I have an alert on BTC? Yeah, I do, and on this one, I should have it on all of them. So I guess when price comes back here, I can add more, because then it would have indicated about this lower high, or this, yeah, I guess high here. It's above a level of sellers on the 4 hour for the 4 hour level, and then boom, just take it back up again. But it's fine, we'll wait for that one. BTC I can, but it's kind of late. But I don't want to enter late trades if I'm being honest. So I'll just rather not do anything, to be honest. So I'm fine. It's just all about gathering data and seeing where I would enter more positions. So yeah, it's just Monday, just another recap. I'm trying to be more consistent with these posts and stuff. I'm not gonna be able to post every single day because not everything's gonna. There's nothing that I can't. Today I had something to talk about, but in this case, there was something. But in other cases, there might not be anything. So I'm just sharing my mindset behind this. But yeah, really nothing else to it. So yeah, gold I left. I'm not even gonna bother to check it, to be honest. Cool with that. I'm cool with that, brother. So so German, waiting for that level to get hit. I don't know. You probably might have hit it. Or might hit it in the morning. Oh, it could get to that level. Like, I don't know. Could get there. I don't know. It could get there. So this one, I'm just waiting for it to push above and then close above, and then we'll enter more, and then we'll see, because we have indication here. It's above a 4 hour level indication, high and low, because it's low is higher than this one, pushes up, and then yeah. So yeah, we'll see. We will see. I will need a candle closure, and then we'll take price back up. So prices are really gonna do what you need it to do the whole time. So I'm okay with that, because it almost got to my stop loss, because I entered here, stopped here, and then it just ranged and draw down, made profits, push down and draw down again. But yeah, I'm kind of calm, patient, cool, calm, collected. Nothing much to talk about. But yeah, we'll just see where this week goes. Like I said, after BTC is done, I'm gonna just focus on 2 pairs: London session, 1 session, and I feel like that will just remove all the clutter, and that's like the move I need to make at this point. But yeah, really nothing else to it. Just a simple breakdown. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the week and see how price moves. I'll probably post shorts updating everything. So yeah.